Hi, my name is Ben Padel. I'm with Oldcastle Infrastructure. Hydro International was acquired in July last year, and now we're part of Oldcastle's larger water solutions offering to the market. Oldcastle Infrastructure is the leading provider of infrastructure solutions ranging from transportation, water, and energy. And now Oldcastle represents one of the largest companies in the water, wastewater, and stormwater markets. And one of our technologies is the HeadCell, the HeadCell grit separation system. Basically, this is the first stage of a grit removal process. It's unique in its design. It's a proprietary design that's based on a very large amount of surface area in a very small footprint. So what this system does is flows are evenly distributed through this influent header duct onto each tray. So that provides nearly instantaneous surface area contact, which captures and concentrates the grit and the organics into a slurry at the bottom of the system. By evenly distributing the flow to the trays, there's no loss due to thermal short circuiting or grit bypassing the system. So with all this surface area, it creates this concentrated grit slurry, which is then sent to our washing system. Hydro, and now Oldcastle, offers a number of different grit washing technologies, but the one I'm going to tell you about is the Hydro Grit Cleanse. It's a fluidized bed grit washing system that's designed to wash grit and dewatering it, so you get 2 unit processes in one device. The Hydro Grit Cleanse is optimized to work with HeadCell and Grit King separation, and it's specifically designed to capitalize on their phenomenal performance. The system is designed with the operator in mind. The number of features are included in the system, which make simplified maintenance and increase the performance of the system. The external bearing is easy to remove and access, unlike internal bearings found in other conventional fluidized bed grit washing systems. The trough is able to be rotated to either side at design to allow easy maintenance from the screw on either side, which is most convenient with your plant layout. The Hydro Grit Cleanse provides superior grit removal performance by removing 95% of all grit 75 micron and larger with less than 5% volatile solids in the output grit. This results in a much cleaner and drier grit product that's suitable for cost-effective disposal. So for more information on the phenomenal performance of Oldcastle's advanced grit management processes, Google HeadCell or Hydro Grit Cleanse to learn more.